Hello everyone, how to totes back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to tell you an app. It's called NexusPay. So this is Bangladeshi app. So you can see on the rating of the app 4.2 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, I consider that the app is good. And 72k reviews, it means 72,000 people write something about this app. We'll see it later. And you can see the size of the app, only 20 megabyte. It's not too heavy, it's light app, and 5 million plus people already downloaded this app. Okay, so if you want to check, then you can go here and you can see this is the option, like you can also this is the bank, you will get the debit card or credit card, and there is Nexus Pay, and you can scan also if you want, if you want to purchase something, and NFC also available, mobile top up and send money. So many statements, so many things available here. So we will see when this app is released. You can see there is some feature here, and like a full keyword, there are some feature you can install before using this app, and the app is released 2017. Okay, and if you want to see some ratings and reviews, like what actual people think about this app, and there are some positive reviews you can read. There are also some negative reviews. So many things available here. If you have the account in Das Bangla Bank, then NexusPay for you, it's help you and you can use this. So friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.